We're going to show you the view out our front door.
Look down the window.
Oh, it's snowiest. Well, here's out the window, yeah.
Crazy. Well, at least we know Isaiah can't get away.
Yeah. Here's a better view. That's crazy.
Oh my gosh. This is hilarious.
It's crazy
It's
deep.
easier to climb out of your kitchen window than it is to get out the
Yeah.
door. Careful. It's icy.
Can't believe Domino's delivered today.
I know. We got pizza.
Yeah. There we go.
It's a little bit of a patch so we could step up.
You ever see when Bobby Brady put too much soap in the washing machine?
I know, right?
That's what it looked like.
I'm gonna try and walk it. Can't open the door all the way. Oop. Yeah, that's not gonna work with my tiger slippers.
It's going on Facebook.